This video is to show you how to change the pre-filter in the Seagull 4. So first you can unplug the pre-filter from the cartridge, remove it, and then turn it counterclockwise, unscrew it, and then all you need to do is just pull it firmly down. Okay, throw the used cartridge away, and then to install it, just press it in, remove it from the box, just press it in and unscrew it back, and it's done. And all you need to do is connect it back to the cartridge, and your unit will work fine again. Okay, so any more questions, please contact Kingkraal in Malaysia at +6012 283 7979. Thank you.